Question 12. A child has blood group O. If the father has blood group A and mother is blood group B, work out the genotype. What? Genotype of the parents and possible genotypes of the other offspring. Now, for this blood group to be O, it has genotype II. Now, child will get one I from one parent and the other I from the other parent. That means this should have an I and so should this. So, now just write IA and IB. Okay, so we got the genotypes of parent. Okay, clear, easy, simple, going ahead. A person having O blood group has genotype of II. He or she receives one allele from each of the parent for this trait. Therefore, father belongs to blood group A must have the genotype of IA. See students, we have done that already. So it is IA. And mother with blood group B must have genotype of IB. Okay, this is clear. Now, we just need to know what would be the offspring's genotype. So let's start by writing parents IA, I and IB, I. Let's start. IA, I and IB, I. So the gametes formed here would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So IA, IB, AB blood group, one possibility. IAI, A blood group, possibility number 2. IBI, possibility number 3, B blood group. And I. This is O. So the possibility is 25% of each. AB, A, B and O. AB, A, B and O. Okay students, easy. So there is 25% chances of the other offspring to have AB blood group, A blood group, B blood group or O blood group. Okay students,